Holy guys, it's been like 15 years since it last snowed in Georgia, and it's snowing. Look at this, guys. Look at my car. It's completely covered in snow. My dad's car, my mom's car. I'm taking my mom's car because the first mission of today is to rescue my girlfriend. She's kind of stuck at her house and she's too scared to drive. To be honest, the roads are icy and all you hear is ambulance and firefighters going on. Diana, what do you think of the snow?
I think it's good. Like, this is the first time that it actually snowed a lot.
Thumbs up from Diana. All right then, let's go see what the roads are looking like in Georgia, and hopefully we can pick up my girlfriends without any problems. All right, so we made it out. Oh my God, you gotta, we made it out. I definitely don't want to slide down this hill because whenever the roads are icy and you brake, your brakes might not work. So you gotta be super careful when you drive in the snow. And look at the roads, completely empty. Wow. When was the last time you seen the roads like this? I don't know if the city already like salted the roads. Oh, I'm sliding. I'm about to Tokyo drift on these. Oh shit, we're going 20 miles per hour. It's probably a good idea that I put on my seatbelt. I can't even see the curve, the curvature. Ah, the damn seatbelt. Holy guys. All right, so she lives like 25 minutes away, and it's 9:45. So let's see how long it takes me to get there with snow. We're super close. We're like 10 minutes away, I would assume. The snow doesn't let me go past 30 miles an hour. And it's really fun because I'm just sliding all over the place. I would like to believe I'm a good driver, so I'm not really scared of any type of conditions. So we're about to slide this corner right here. Hopefully we don't smash into that brand new F250. Let's go, boys. Slide, twist the wheel. Oh shit, oh shit. The brakes did not work right there. I was heading straight towards that F250. Holy. That's crazy. Oh shit. I'm like going sideways over here. Guys, look. We got a truck stuck. He's like stopped for some reason. Hold on. Let me have my windshield wipers going faster. The truck is stuck. Nissan Altima is stuck. This one car is going slow as hell. Toyota Camry. This is the perks of having a truck. It's not mine, but the perks is that you're not even scared of these conditions, you know. You got 4x4, 4x4, that's all you need. I'm not even in 4x4, I'm just in two-wheel drive. I just know everyone in Georgia right now is losing their minds. This is the first time it snows in a minute. And I'm not even gonna lie, we're not used to the snow, so it's pretty damn beautiful. Look, I have the steering wheel twisted all the way. Guys, this is so much fun. I used to drift this when I was young. Oh bro, there's a truck behind me too. They probably think I'm crazy, but in all honesty, I got it under control. But yeah guys, this is actually pretty beautiful. Shout out Jesus Christ for letting this happen. Shout out the weather. I hope you guys spend this this moment with your families and you guys do something fun. It's a once in a lifetime thing, especially if you live in Georgia. So, I'm sliding. I'm sliding. But yeah, we got Burger King. Most of the restaurants are closed today. They were open at first, but they all shut down. And we are like 5 minutes away from my girlfriend's house. Just driving in the snow is a blast though. I was not gonna make it at all if I took my Mustang. Like, there's no way. If I couldn't even make it out the driveway with this truck until I put it in 4x4. So imagine going in my two-wheel drive Mustang with ball tires. That was gonna be crazy. That's actually crazy. Look, we got families doing, oh, you should pay attention to the road. We got families building snowman. My family's building a huge one. They want it to last for a week. But I'll catch y'all when I get there. It's currently 10:11, almost there. Bye. All right guys, so it's 10:17. We just made it to my girlfriend's house. There's the truck, almighty tundra. We're snowing. She wants me to go inside. I wonder why. All right guys, so it's only mandatory that I do some celebratory. It's only mandatory that I do some donuts in this ice. So let's go ahead and do that. How about them apples? How are my donuts?
Good. Oh, he's good. Must have some practice. Someone else is doing donuts.
Well, now we're back home and I'm working out. I've been filming some content for my Instagram. I'm trying to lose weight and get fit. So here we are, it's chest day today. I already did the what do you call this again? Oh my God, I'm so slow. But no, I'm not. But now I'm doing it with the dumbbells. What is this thing called again? Someone help me. Someone place in the comments. I'm having a brain fart right now. But yeah, guys, just because it's snowing doesn't mean you can be lazy and take the day off. Lock in. You gotta lock in. Chase your dreams. And here's the snowman my family built while I was picking up my girlfriend. What a beauty of a snowman. Holy, I am wearing not the right shoes for this. But anything for the vlog. Look at this. Let it snow. And indeed it did. But it's going away. It's starting to melt. Hopefully Mr. Snowman doesn't die. Hopefully he lasts at least a week or two. Hey, yo, look at this. This looks a little too realistic. Am I? What the? He has his hat on and everything. But yeah, guys, like I was saying, lock in, spend time with your family, work hard, exercise, and just never give up. Chase your dreams, dream big. I'll see you guys at the top whenever I get there. But I hope you guys have a good day, a good rest of your day, and take care. Bye.